welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to tell you that how to choose who can see your future Facebook post. So which is very simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel because it helps me much more. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app and come to the menu, and once you come to the menu, tap on the gear to open up settings and privacy. Once you come to settings and privacy and just scroll a little bit until you find the option of post, just simply tap on that option, and here you can see the option of who can see your future post. Just simply tap on it, and now here you can fix that who can see your future post. You can set it to public, you can set it to friends, or you can click on see more and you can set it to only me. The only me will be make private to your future post. So that's how you can easily choose who can see your future post on Facebook. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment section below, and